To set up screen lock on OnePlus 15, first of all, we'll need to launch our settings. Next step is to move down, and here we want to find the security and privacy options. Enter them, then scroll down and select device unlock. Then set screen lock, and here you'll be able to pick between 3 different security options. You can only pick one. There's numeric, which allows you to enter between 4 to 16 digits, which must be numbers. Then there's also alphanumeric, which allows you to enter 4 to 16 letters and the digits. That means you can use letters and numbers as well. And finally, last one is pattern, and I'm gonna choose that one. This allows you to draw a specific pattern to unlock your phone. Just make sure to remember your password. And here, no matter which option you've picked, you will need to enter that password 2 times. So let's go for something like this. And then our password is set. Make sure, as I said, make sure to remember it, and then you'll be able to unlock your phone using that password. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.